I am a bold undaunted fox that never was before on tramp. My rent and rates and taxes I was willin' for to pay. I made my den in fine good land, 'tween Tipperary and Ochlong, where my forefathers lived and died 1,000 years or so. But then of late I was betrayed by one who was a fool, I know. He told me I should leave this place and show me face no more. And soon as he evicted me, I thought it time that I should flee. So late one night I took his life and left him lying low. By telegraph they did insert a great reward for my arrest, my figure, size, and form, and my name without mistake. They broke their brogues 1,000 pairs, this great reward for to obtain, but still their search was all in vain for Farmer Michael Hayes. They searched Tipperary o'er and o'er, the cornfields near Galtymore. They went across to Wexford, but they did not long delay. By Ballyhill and Stridmore Strand, they searched the woods as they came on, till they were hungry, wet and cold at the approach of day. Then round the coast they made a steer, from Pobeg Lighthouse to Cape Clear. Killarney town and Sweet Tralee they then crossed into Clare. And when they landed on the shore, they searched Kilrush from tip to toe. They searched the Baz near Sweet Lisdoon, likewise Milltown, Malbay. And Galway being a place of fame, they thought 'twas there I might remain. But still their search was all in vain, for I gave them all leg bail. They searched the train at Oranmore as she was starting for Dromore, and every carriage, car, and coach they met upon the road. Connemara being remote, they thought 'twas there I might resort. When they were getting weary, they resolved to try Mayo. In Swinford town as I sat down, I heard a dreadful cry of hounds, so I lay there in a manger till the approach of day. To Dublin town I made my way, and then to Cove and America, and left the hounds to search away for Farmer Michael Hayes. And as the moon began to shine, I thought I'd make a foreign climb. Now I'm in the land of liberty, and a fig for all my foes.